Dear student, welcome to NIPS Home School. Hope you are doing well at home. This is Ayesha Siddiqua Sara, Assistant Teacher of Arts and Craft at National Ideal University School Morning Shift. Today I am going to take a class for class 2 and today's topic is a scenery of fishes in the water. A scenery of fishes in the water. In the water with color. So look at this box. Suppose this one is your copy. Okay, you won't draw this type of box. Those students have drawn this box. I just know that you didn't watch the full class. Then a lot of students draw like this, a line, and then give this type of stone and then draw the fishes. Okay, this one is wrong. Remember this very carefully. You just imagine that this one is your copy. Okay, this one is your copy and start from drawing to here. Give the stone. Okay, and then again give some tree plant, the water plant like this, and then you will draw the fishes. A big fish look like this. Just draw this type of line. A lot of students draw like this type of fish. This one is wrong. Remember this type of fish looks good and this one is right. And you must practice this. I have drawn a lot of fishes here. If you want, you can minus some fishes also. No need to draw every fishes. You just draw 3 or 4 fishes which you can. And look, this type of design. Give 2 small fishes. So I have completed the drawing. I have give here more 2 fishes. But remember this always, for your better composition, you must draw a big fish on this space. That means the middle space. No, don't draw here. This one looks very odd. Now look at the screen, look at the board. I have already colored a picture for you. Look at this. First I have used and I have colored the river. That means the water portion, the big space. First I have used color on the water portion. Remember this very carefully. And then I have colored the fishes. I have on the water I have used first light yellow and then I have used here some deep yellow and give the wave like this. And here I have used stone, and on the stone I have used ash color and black color. Look where I have used black color, you already understood. And on the tree plant I have used light green and deep green. And on the fish you can draw your wish color. No need to follow my color. If you want you can follow, but if you don't want, you don't. You can use by your wish color or your choice color. I have used here yellow and orange. Here use some deep brown. Here orange and the cream color, yellow and purple color, ocean blue and blue color and purple color, 2 red fishes and 2 blue fishes also. I have used this I have drawn this picture very colorfully. So dear student, this one is your HW, also HW number 6. Practice at your home and color very carefully and send it to your school. So no more today. Thank you.